ne girl no ne ewi no woko won krom woko sra Ebony maame ana woko won krom no ana woko di won ho lesbians they made love in their hometown ana abosom na ewo no wo say sana odi abaha anti na odi aba any dia e no bedu baby a ukoni ahwe e no be roadway kill Ebony and his girlfriend they go make love for her hometown oye gia fatana kra na fatana wo baby a wo memfa ma we kura ase
onim pop skinny
my name no maternity my own social media no
what did you okay no
obi se ne bre me nra
wetie
matie
okay that was saying
well I don't know this young man and I don't know why he should spill that meaning the motivation I don't know what is inspiring and not ginger him to speak like that meaning you know maybe this time be mission maybe what necessitated that statement. Why would you even speak this time of the time, of which you don't have any proof whatsoever? You speak this on. I say, may I do baby and I'm saying I should let things go, but never want to be taking of honor. I don't want to be always in the news. No, I wouldn't love that. I've built my reputation. I've lived my life before Nanayima. Oh, who the car is already Nanayima Ibia or Becca. Naima no who make out or the dear grove here. So I can't the car watching. She was my girl. She's known me. I've been a father. I want to know you may watch you now for me, baby. They may be to say, me, baby, the branch and a cano. Only proof. They say I may do court. And I said, Mrenim as a proof. How are you going to prove it? So, what is the basis of we speaking it? Why would you say that when you don't have the proof? So I kept my cool because but I know honestly, nipa na wu kone baby, yes celebrating. Why that this time? What are you? What is it? I didn't have motivation. What is motivating you? Why would you even say that? What do you gain from saying them? If indeed it's true, or which is not true, because if it's true, if I should put you to prove it, how are you going to prove that? How do you prove it now? I was a Ghana for too much kasa anyhow. Now I wouldn't love to go into any banter, anything of a sort with young boys like that. I'm past that. But say Nana Hima Papa no, we're so sensitive and he is alive. Nana Hima na ni Papa tiase, ni mami na bucha fo nyina tiase. And we know what time it is. Me won't saw a young man doing BBS me dabi. You wouldn't say that because you don't know more than I do. You wouldn't know. What to climb, matukan be break, matukan be break. And but the next one to us, will be there. But I've lived my life. So, what I say, until everybody here, Jabatana and Chronicle Sembia, we are so hurt. Metia seven coming here, but I managed to hide the feeling.
Now, I didn't Ghana for attacking Nanahima with that.
Well, so what do you not no man tiger no. Now if you were we and no no ma. I saw your question is so good. Once upon a time, if you have the opportunity to ask this question, invite them and ask this question if they may have answers to. For me, I wouldn't know. How would I know? It's a shame. This time of the day, this time of the time. Obi awo wajini dia biasi nya celebrating no. After I been social media. Now, what do you gain after speaking this ill about Her Royal Majesty? After speaking this ill about this noble personality, and even if it's true, what are you going to gain from that? It's a shame. That guy should come again. I will appreciate if he will apologize big time to Ghana.
Pacho Oye, you're a superstar.
So,
enjoying that guy.
Oh, what is your understanding of a guy? Guy, as that guy, because I don't know him. Fifi, you don't bring me up to embarrass me. No, you don't put me on live for any matter. Now you be very careful because I'm not going to take anything.
No.
What is wrong with me speaking? saying say guy, he isn't the guy. Me come to say a guy. Me buy just a guy. No want it. You endorsed it. You loved it. If I'm referring this young man being a guy, you say what? When the guy know why?
Me just said that.
That guy. What is bad about that? Me name on personally to feel me to rough.
That's not what I already that. Or Harvard the department one and catch up. That me just said the well now kind of. Mommy Bozai.
Oh, that don't even mistake because hey, you don't bring me to ask to ridicule me. I won't take it.
Oh,
that
Starboy.
That guy, yes, that guy. Sabrantiano. Sam may person just that guy.
Nana Kakran Yebidi.
Yeah. That's say I never know about her. And after the show.
Right here, let's go. You're listening to Fifi Press.
The supercharger.
Turn the volume.
Honestly, it's so sad.
We say no, me assure say Ebia. Fab, bra. What the only you be my pop skinny.
Oh,
tight Fab, when your friends say 1 or 2 pop skinny in videos via Wayaba Nanahima. Wahoo. Okay. Who is saying?
Me who ye no ha me kakra say obi ewu sebe yesi ne ko mfie mienu mu kra na dabre
3 years sweetheart.
Ekoi na da bia mo sa be kai ebusuafo ne yawo a wo be kai so a wo de sebe ensem a chese yanyintum ewo krom ha ana aba be ka but metie no so de ma pop asmo kan na man hyeda anyi ho achinye bebi an say ne wan kansamfo a won trende enti obia de ninua ho ana edidi obia kasamfo ade apesika ba sade asam to wunua na okoe na betimi ato ama won so akobi obi de wu didi a wabusuafo beti ase ana eno na wose ye hwe we just sit there ni aso ya camera na bia ye cassette a obi na ne maame ne papa ne nua no mote a ombe feel say
na wo ya kwa de na just wo promise ma de na just obetima beta kasa cha na hima say me nua ketwa na me sister no na wo sister no wo hefa wo sister no be kasa ya kire no wo sister no that I took care as my little if indeed you did take care as your little sis would you have said that? Why would you say that this time of the day? It's a shame you should come again.
Not just a video and watch it there.
But yeah, now it's so disgusting. If there is another word to use that's much powerful than this, I would appreciate to use such a word. So disgusting. Because me who what prompted him? Then the banner Jim said, this time no Baba can say now I heard day. Even let's assume it's true. Young man said no clear. What kind of year day? Busumba now say only chroma because we're lesbian. Oh, it's a shame. That boy should come again. He couldn't trend on this, mark my word. He never can trend on this. And sometimes I know my ear so preached to the wall. And when you're so preached now, it's unfortunate. I'm preached. Because it was, and I don't know that number is who said Ebony Papa Tiasiana. Oh, who said Ebony Papa is a guy so on maybe more. Because me, I'm doing no baby. If you're able to me, if you cry now, who knows? Because now who knew she was going to die this early? Me age and small age, you know, be a bit medi. And then you're a bit medi will be age. So you can't be too sure. So who can't send you when you are spewing things of a sort? You should be mindful, extremely mindful. Catch him by a guy, maybe more than he can even think. And I feel hurt when certain things of a sort are spoken about. Nanahima, Ebony. I saw the Naima Papaya guy, a nice man. So. Oh, yes, I am. I know myself. Why would I even wait for anybody to say this? Who am I? When I say, yeah, Pomo, yeah, you trouble, who ain't no one can say, one about who's over for more.
Starboy, 18 karat as well,
18 karat gold. I don't use anything less than that.
Heavy.
Female bedroom, I may catch yourself. I know you mistake of fees. She's one man, you know, probably be a Leon.
Oh, BB Starboy.
Now, what is that? I don't use it for interview.
The way we hit, there was something calm down with smile, you know.
I get too much. Be in my shoes. See that? I love you are, you know, we take on the whole thing now.
I was a Pope Babak.
bepache magana na papa na mama ache
o de aside o de ni parents kwa no ye woni pa bebre pa o mo som Ebony ye woni pa bebre a o mo som nti ye sre pop enipa no baby adru no me de ya me na say me hu say mama free all the way from London a bar down just say over celebrating ba no e no kire how a o ma hwere adekese pa enti pop I think so onyi girl ni din free nanum in terms of trending
no this at all trending at trend we shut all now na him asem because na him ade o ya oba woni member na ndili na him ko ni obi obi na no obi oni was can chi asem ya this oba no obi na no why would you say this young man is not serious hey he's pushed me he who pushes me pays the price
sorry
star nyamuche kawakoma to you calm down why star
I wish you never even asked this. I never anticipated we're asking the question of a thought because me when me I said me I didn't want to send me. And the guy who sent me there, you know, why you so bitter? And she was even asking what would be my reaction. Dad, what are you gonna do? Me I was broken down. So I will be only for 3 years. After now, but you're saying I wouldn't need any proof whatsoever. Say you could just a young man now come here and prove because what if you me bana where will you go? Maybe I'll think about that.
Yeah.
It's about time I am check for being answer. Because Ghana want to know me and I'll tell Ghana or more money me me or more money me too well.
Start.
Me no controversial me a principle.
Yep, funny say we or your back.
Man me back. You can be. The bankers are not him near because that's much.
What for? Said na no ekoyine.
I'm family by trend on trend or no kasa no social media that nyina into one be or it should be in this lane and trend over there she went overboard what twem wabro so do na na yema there 3 years obi with 3 years down the line
Starboy pop skinny back now obetwa apology
me fie me kan sem bi na fe apology be there on can radios be do traka no on trans everyday no kasa indeed he was wrong by saying that
America
Oh, America, no, me call them here. Oh, Clovers were America. Massachusetts.
There be so. And from Massachusetts, by Hadi Pajua, Fabregas, Mr. Only Massachusetts.
Now to America, now to what one man can be a guy. I don't go to Mana.
Fabregas,
I judge my.
I don't know Massachusetts, one another. They be Massachusetts.
That's how they be an appointment.
There be only.
Out to America, also now can't say me, I wouldn't need proof because who is our way. You are out of jurisdiction, so therefore you can spill anything and go scot free. It's a shame. You should come again. Nana Hima deserves much better than this.